sugar. You gonna smile. And my baby gonna smile. Hey, Lawson. Hey, darling. You gonna talk to Gigi? Hey, honey. That's my pretty darling. Hey.
Ridley!
Hey.
I'll put those on the porch.
Hey, darling. He's so
But
pretty.
thank you. That was sweet of you.
Hey, honey.
Roots and all.
I know, that was crazy.
Hey.
She's so funny, she's so sweet. You see all my little flowers?
She's so sweet, but she can be so mean.
I know.
Just hang in there.
She got a little of both in her.
Hey, Lawson.
I appreciate the flowers, darling. That was sweet of you.
And then,
Ow.
I'm trying to figure out what else.
Hey, honey. You're so happy. Hey, honey.
So I'm gonna do that one.
You're so precious. You're so precious, boy. Yes, you're growing so much. Yes, you are. Look how much you're growing. Yeah, look how much you're growing. Yes.
Don't worry about me.
Oh. Oh. Look at you.
Get her warm.
Look at that boy. Yes, look at that boy. He's a handsome boy. Yes, he is. Just a handsome boy.
Okay, who all wants barbecue chicken?
You looking for Gigi? Was he looking for Gigi? Who couldn't find Gigi? Was he looking around for Gigi? Yeah, you were looking around for your Gigi. Who gonna talk? You gonna talk? Yeah, 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 baby gonna talk. Yes, he is. He gonna talk. He is. He gonna
Yeah,
talk.
well, he needs to learn all of that. One day he'll need to do all that for himself.
You gonna talk? Yeah. And talk to
Yeah.
Gigi. Talk to Gigi. Yeah. Talk to Gigi. Talk to
Yeah, all these
Gigi.
little things he needs
Yeah.
to learn while he's got you
Yeah.
there to teach him.
Yeah. That's my boy.
You're no match for Elsa.
Yeah.
I am the hero.
You being so good. Yes, you are. You being so good. You being such a good boy.
I already have.
Yes, you are. You being such a good boy. Yes, he is. Yeah. You being such a good boy. Yeah. A real good boy. Hey, we are doing Father's Day today, and Dakota is doing the chicken. We got barbecue. Say hi, Dakota.
Hi.
Oh, don't that look good? I like the grilling. He's a good grill master. Yes, that looks so good. Oh, she got
Oh my god, don't mind my kitchen. Sorry.
mac and cheese. She's got eggs boiling.
That's not mac and cheese. This is Mexican bean dip. That's
Oh.
eggs for the potato salad, and that's mac and cheese.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I made Mexican bean dip, and I'm making cookies. They have 3 minutes left.
Okay, well you did have some potato salad somewhere.
Yeah.
Okay. Who gonna talk? You gonna talk? Yeah, 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 baby gonna talk. Yes, he is. He gonna talk. He is. He gonna
Yeah,
talk.
well, he needs to learn all of that. One day he'll need to do all that for himself.
You gonna talk? Yeah. And talk to
Yeah.
Gigi. Talk to Gigi. Yeah. Talk to Gigi. Joe,
Yeah, all these
G.
little things he needs
Yeah.
to learn while he's got you
Yeah.
there to teach him. Thank you.
You can keep it. I know you can do it.
Thank you.
That's a pear
What are you
chocolate.
doing?
Best day of my life.
And this one is
You got no hiccups, don't you?
and then it was accessories.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Well, that sounds like a good day.
She throws your heart.
And the dog's accessories.
Yeah.
Well, if you were here, you would have had Mexican bean dip, mac and cheese, chocolate chip cookies,
You want this one?
barbecue
This one?
chicken, and potatoes.
I'd rather just have the bowl. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I want. I'm afraid I'll lose those because they're so small. Get down and fall in this chair. We don't want that.
Put in your pocket.
Oh, okay.
That's my
You
dog.
gonna put them in there for me? Thank you.
Yeah, I keep this brush for so furry. I did like the pear chocolate one.
I was trying
Look
it,
at
but
this.
they're little birds.
So this is what we have for Father's Day
Make sure it's
dinner, lunch. It's potato salad, mac and cheese, Mexican bean dip, barbecue chicken, and tortilla chips.
Okay.
As long as we both shall live, no matter what happens.
Hey,
Look at that pretty boy.
we're superheroes.
Look at that pretty boy.
Ah, Dad's off.
I'll call you when I get there.
I love you so much.
So what?
This is your automated. Would you?
He's so content.
Mimosa?
Mind if I do? Thanks.
You're welcome. Currently 78 degrees in
I love my
perfect
Gigi.
weather for flying. Please fasten your seatbelt. We're beginning our descent.
Well, we are on our way back home from Destiny's. We had a real nice Father's Day dinner, well, lunch and dinner at Destiny's. She had cooked for her fiance and for her pawpaw, and we had a really good time. Had a great time with the baby, with Lawson, and with Brinley. Oh, I had so much fun. And the food was excellent. Oh, it was so good. And Dakota did a good job on barbecue, and he's a real good on the grill. And Destiny has turned out to be a very good cook, so I'm very proud of her. And so we had a really good day. I hope all of y'all have had a wonderful day and had a good day on Father's Day, and had a great weekend this weekend celebrating Father's Day. And as always, I hope that y'all will subscribe and share, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up. And remember that I love y'all, and God bless y'all.